Rain. Never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing, I found. Oh, rain. Never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing. Oh my goodness, my mom's calling. Hello? What? What? What's up? Got you. The Crocs? Uh, try shooting carbo. Use your bit or online, son. Yeah. Try shoe carnival maybe. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Shoe carnival. Yeah, try your gossip cause use your bit order online, son. Number your Crocs, Yeah, Crocs. CROC. Yeah. CROCS. Yeah, Crocs. Okay. We lock in. All right. Oh, my bad. I was What is up, guys? We are back today. We are gonna have someone helping me trade. So let's run the shit. My bad. I was on the phone. Let me turn on the voice chat. Oh, the wrong thing. Uh, we go here.
A massive like lost day, and I was like, okay, like something's wrong. Like this shouldn't. This is not how it should be. And then
You said you
since
graduated last year, or
no, I graduated like 2 years ago. So yeah, 2 years ago is when I like started to
but
like with the
you
last.
said you were 22, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he's old, bro. He's
No,
Whoa.
he's
old.
he's the same age as me. I'm 22 as well.
Hey, I'm
Oh, get
22.
over here.
So old?
I'll
No, I'm
see.
playing.
Yeah.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm on demon time right now. I'm
Damn,
trolling.
everyone pulling up.
Yeah,
All
and
right,
then
cool. Let's
that's
get it
it.
cracking, bro.
I bet. All right.
We gotta do the burpee challenge, bro. Remember?
The breakdown.
No. The burpee challenge. For every loss, you gotta drop down and give us 10 burpees.
The burpee challenge.
Yeah, no, we're not doing that today.
Why?
I'll have to do it at the gym or something, bro, because I ain't trying to like do it at my house. You know what I mean?
No, you're doing
You,
it.
there's no way you're 300 pounds,
I'm
bro.
not 300 pounds, bro. I'm not 300
That's
pounds. I'm
ridiculous.
400 pounds. No, I'm lying. All right.
Yeah, by like the fourth burpee, his house would probably fucking collapse.
That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. All right. Basically, top down. Okay, let's do top down. Right. This is a Monday. So this is perfect. This is a Monday. So usually, what I've been
Yo,
trying to.
cool. What's up with you, bro? My fault.
Oh no, you're good. So usually on Mondays I tend not to trade anymore because of certain things. So I just don't trade Mondays anymore. So then now I just because I want to see how the day or how Monday expands or if it's just consolidation, right? So next day. So this is Monday's candle, and then I look here. What news days do we have? We have CPI on a Wednesday, Friday. So CPI. Yeah, so this is the only high impact news driver that we have, CPI. So Wednesday. So what can I anticipate Tuesday to do already? Um, it looks like Monday did tap this daily fair value gap here. and then go on the hourly, we did get a change in state in delivery to the upside. So right now I am bullish bias on a Tuesday, and then Wednesday could be a reversal, like a midweek reversal. So I can look to anticipate these highs as my drawn liquidity, and plus hourly is bullish. So now my bias is bullish.
This Asian stinks.
Oh, chill. All right, now I go on the 15-minute and I look for discorrelation, right, or correlation. So I want to see bullish SMT. I swear. Okay, hold up. Usually I like to see like lows that match up perfectly, like just like nonchalant lows, like just as though we're pushing down more. Okay. Hold up. Looks like we're sweeping out this low here. We have SMT, but on ES, this is not a real low. It's just a stacked low. So I really don't want to like mark this low out. So right now, I just want to just wait. Just wait. I can tell my like, I would say like my bias is like what, somewhat correct.
Okay, try.
Type shit. All right, let's see if NQ takes out this low. Okay, so NQ takes out the low here, and then ES is bullish. We have SMT at the lows here. We have, I guess, an order block here, and then SMT. Now, drop down. This is where I get confused. I'm like, fuck. This is just like perfectly trendline liquidity on ES, and NQ is more bullish. NQ is just here. We're in a higher time frame, like a 15-minute order block. Drop down. Sweep of liquidity here. SMT. Now we wait for like a change in state in delivery.
Have you went through the videos talking about the six sister concept?
The what?
It's essentially like it's like a decouple between NQ and ES and YN.
No, I have not.
Okay,
Hold on.
we can cover that some other time then.
Yeah. Okay, so SMT here. We're still in this order block here. Like I said, I want to see a change in state of delivery to this candle here. Okay.
Wait, you're bullish.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you're buying a bond, bro.
First, what is it called? Before you even do anything, can you make one chart show the 4 hour or the 1 hour permanently?
Oh yeah, I got you.
Or wait, why do you? Or
Yeah.
I was okay.
And then you said hourly.
Or no, you had two, so like, but you're only using like one, so like, and you're not filtering through your time frames like enough.
Okay, so what do you mean
So
by
like,
just like go through?
so
Like,
no, just do two screens. Three is a bit much. It's even for me right now. Yeah, and then keep one on either the hourly or the 4 hour, and then you can play on one side.
okay, I see. So don't
Yeah, make it
ES?
NQ, make it NQ
Yeah,
as
I
well.
see. Yeah.
Yeah, this is easier for me. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah, so
oh yeah, go ahead.
look at the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour. Yeah, you're bullish. Look at the area you were bullish in.
Right.
Yeah, no, on the 1 hour.
Oh,
It's also 1 hour. It's both. Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the left side is 15.
Yeah, look on the right side. Look at where you were bullish from.
Oh, I see. There's like no PD raise over here on the hourly.
Well, it's you're also trying to buy in a premium. That's one thing, right? But you're also and then we haven't used it. But yeah, you're also like trading after we've gotten like a temporary CSD to the downside.
Right here.
Like the whole drop, the whole 1 hour drop.
Yeah.
From previous day. No, for previous day.
Oh, this.
Yeah. So that you see those two up close candles?
Yep. Right here.
Yeah, that's your order block to short from a premium in order to head lower, and then you need to zoom out and see if there's like any PD arrays and discount for you to be logging in because we are bullish on a high time frame.
Right.
So you gotta zoom out a little bit more. Yeah, you have to see the whole. I'd like to see the whole dealing range. Sorry, that's what I meant.
Oh no, you're good. So like, I guess what you could say is that we have like a 4-hour fair value gap here that's in discount. So we should be primarily looking for.
Is it in discount?
I guess from this. Yes.
Just play it. Just play it and see. I think.
Okay. Because I know like within here we have like a
Okay.
most likely like a order block or some sort of lower time frame for value. And plus this should be your CE wick here also. Hold up. Just gonna mark this off. Fuck. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so the day would have ended here. The day would have ended. So what can I learn from, like, what is something that like I did, like, I guess I can work on here,
You were bullish.
right?
Look, you see that purple fair value gap that you annotated all the way up there?
Yes, right here.
You were trying to long from there. You were looking for a CSD. Okay, so you were looking for a CSD in that purple area that you annotated, correct?
Right. Yes,
So-
yes.
I don't know I don't know if we got a CSD, but even if you did get a CSD that you're looking for, you would have been offside by, I mean, that's a pretty large candle. So you definitely shouldn't have been longing from there. That's like number one. Well, the reason being is because you already had a CSD on a higher time frame to bearish price action,
Right.
right?
Right.
Okay. So remember what we talked about with Monday power 3 weekly profiles. If you've taken Monday's range on Tuesday, then temporary Tuesday high week can be like created, right? So that's exactly what it gave you here.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So that entry is actually like really nice because you also have an intermediate term high given to you there as well. So do you see that imbalance to your left a little?
Right here.
Yeah, right there. Do you see how price ended up entering in there and already giving you kind of a it already like entered?
What do you mean it already entered?
Like price has already like retraced and semi rebalanced that area.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like and price taps it once again. So that's another like really nice confluence for you to be taking this trade to be bearish.
Okay.
So I'm just trying to understand why you're bullish currently.
I was only looking at current price action. I wasn't like, I guess
Okay.
I wasn't looking at like this whole leg. I was looking at the most recent, like, I guess, leg. And then,
Okay, you're gonna have to zoom out. You zoom out, find your dealing range from discount to premium. That's like the step one. 1 hour was 1 hour, 4 hour doesn't matter. Zoom out even more. Like yes, okay there. So from the low that made the move up to this high, annotate.
I guess like right here.
No, like even more. Like the bigger the picture is, the easier. But yeah, sure, you can use whichever one.
Okay, this is the,
Yeah,
I
just
guess,
use the closest one. That's fine.
the closest one. All right, right here. I'll be like right here then, I guess.
Okay.
Okay, so we were in a premium technically, yeah. Cause okay, I see.
Okay. And then what is and then price like jets down and then taps 50% of this range, and that's not like random, right? Like there's a reason where price like where smart money is going to enter, and then they let out all their orders at these specific areas. So in from premium into discount below old lows. Okay. And so
Okay.
using the Tuesday high of the week, now you can trade the rest of the week until so if Tuesday high of the week is given, then you can kind of anticipate that Thursday low of the week might be given because it's the statistic that ICT gave you. So now you have this 1 hour SIBI presented. This is a free day. What news is that? What news is this?
CPI.
Okay, I mean, set a market order there. You could trade that. Price will not come to the Tuesday high unless we're super bullish for whatever reason. But we're not really in an area to like be distributing that from the imbalance.
From the imbalance.
Yeah.
Okay. So we just play this out. Oh shit.
Oh God.
Oh shit.
Okay, that's fine. And now your stop goes at that high, that news high. Okay, and then yeah, that's basically it. And you can hold for like some sort of expansion back into other lows.
Yeah, I guess we just target this one right here. I guess. All right.
Actually, that imbalance looks pretty good.
Discount also.
Yeah, like that would be first. That would be your first TP. Like I'm just trying to help you find like intraday trading ideas.
Right. Yeah. That's what I'm like trying to work with. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think we need to take this whole range though, the whole dealing range. But I think if you were gonna look for, yeah, it's FOM. Are you sure is it FOMC or what is this?
It's CPI or consumer.
Okay,
price
yeah,
index.
I wouldn't technically mess with that. I would just look for longs on Thursday.
I got you, but like, isn't Thursday like another like still expansion move to the downside? Because like if we're anticipating like Tuesday to be half the day, then Wednesday and Thursday should expand and then or expand towards the downside more, and then Friday would be, I guess like a TGIF, right?
Do we have news on Thursday
No news. No,
at all?
no news Thursday or Friday.
Okay, go to the hourly
Oh wait, I guess there is news like
in the morning.
for on a Friday, but it's Michigan consumer sentiment. I don't know what that is, but
No, the dealing range that you annotated, I like the order block that you kind of get. Yeah, that's a long potential. Tomorrow.
I got you. All right, let's what up. I want to like okay, and then
What
Friday.
days? Yeah, this looks. This Friday?
Yeah, this is a Friday.
Okay, yeah, then you would anticipate. I mean, the next like couple days to just expand.
I got you. Or okay. So my thing is like if I the reason why I was bullish was because just like looking here, I mean going on like the daily here, like I anticipated, I guess Tuesday. Well, I don't know. I forgot what I was saying because I knew we had CPI, right? I knew we had CPI, and I was anticipating like that should be like a reversal. I don't know. I gotta filter. I gotta like look into more news and just like I'm trying to like find my bias through weekly profiles, right? But I can't seem to like know when it's going to be fake or like a real high of day or low of day. You know what I mean? So how can you
Okay.
like obviously anticipate that it's going to be like Tuesday high of the week?
It depends on like where price is trading like currently. If
Okay.
if previous week gave you CSD on a high time frame, then and then Monday is like accumulating and Tuesday gives you an entry to short above that accumulation, then that's like you anticipate, oh, like this is a week where Tuesday high of week like makes sense. So it's not just like a random, oh, like maybe this Tuesday is going to be higher low of the week. You can't just like choose. You can only say that once Monday offers you that like option.
Okay. I see. That makes sense.
Yo, Q.
What's up?
Why do you need to know like which day is gonna be the high of the week in all this? You can just focus on trying to catch the small move and do that many times.
I'm just trying to like see from like a weekly outlook. It just because obviously like definitely, because also weekly profiles is also giving me like a certain bias also. So
Yeah, sure. But I mean, when you're trading, you're only trying to catch like I don't know how many points. Like,
Yeah,
what's your
he's
usual
trying to
20
say that
points?
if you're scalping, if you're on the intraday scalping side of things, there's no reason for you to have. Well, I mean, there there
It's
is
nice, right? You
probability
get your
behind it,
bias, but it's
but
not like complete necessary, right? If you're confident about this little move, then that's what you go for, right?
right. So just like
Just-
like yeah, obviously the goal is to just catch like certain moves, but I guess like I'm looking at a weekly outlook and a weekly standpoint, and that's why like is
yeah, but cool. You have to realize, right? The objectives that you have for your trades is probably less than um, it's probably around 15, 20 handles, or probably even less than
right,
that. There's no reason for you to have a drawn liquidity that's like so far away from the current market price that it's going to take like a week or 2 weeks to reach that level. It just doesn't make sense.
Yeah, right. And let's say Fridays are, continuation or retracement, right? And you can be 60% sure it's gonna be a retracement. Let's say that, right? You're only gonna catch a little small piece of the cake, right? And it can stop you out and still go you know, your the way that your bias was. So
No.
okay, I see. Okay, so just like catch like just small intraday moves. Yeah, that's the goal.
yeah, well, I don't know like what your typical trade is, but you know,
I see.
just make it simple. Look within the macro. Study the macro times. See if there's anything there that can be like replicated. Because you're scalping, right? That's what you do.
Right. Because I get
So rather
like
focus on the macro times. Set yourself like a little, I don't know, rule book for what you want to look after, and then you do that instead of focusing on catching like the whole move of the day or anything like that, right?
right, because I want obviously I want to position myself in the right areas. And that's where I struggle with the most, just like buying in discount and selling in premium. I guess that's where I struggle the most because I'll see like a fucking fair value gap and be oh, longs look good here, whatever, right? And like
Yeah.
I guess choosing a daily range could be like is I thought it was easy, but then like after now like choosing a daily range is a lot harder on especially on the hourly because there's so many like wicks here. Like a daily range could be from here to here, or the next range could be from here to here, and then that's why I'm on the weekly looking at like structuring my daily bias or with the weekly outlooks with like news events and everything like that. And
Yeah, mostly when I use EQ, although you can use it for smaller moves as well. Like I do it on the 1 minute, but you can basically, let's say we are pushing higher, 9 to 9:30 to 12:1 ish, right? Then you could maybe get a retrace in PM, and that's when you take the EQ of the whole range, for example, right?
right,
Or you can take it within smaller moves as well.
I see. Yeah, because I don't know. I'll just have to go. I'll just have to like learn as I go because right now that's what I'm like I guess focused on right now. And like obviously I would. I don't know. That's just what I'm like. My mindset is on right now. I is all. Hold up.
Uh huh.
Hold on. All right, let's go again. All right. I guess like this is a Tuesday. We have Powell speaking. We don't trade those next day. We have FOMC minutes. Usually, AM is super choppy on FOMC minutes, so we don't trade that either. Okay. All right, this is a Thursday. As you can tell, just like going from the weekly outlook, right? Like just because Monday through Friday there's a open, low, high, close, right? So Monday opened, doesn't really do much. We just came down to this, I guess, discount level here, and we swept out a daily low and discount. So Thursday, I can anticipate longs if we can get like a C, like right here, the last down close candle, we get a CISD here. So I can anticipate longs towards the upside. Right, Kim?
Sorry, what were you saying, bro? No, I heard a joke. Just say the last part again.
Okay. Last part. We have we have a change in state in delivery
Uh,
in a discount area of this range, and this is a Thursday,
okay.
so we can
Okay.
anticipate like a Thursday like a reversal on Thursday.
Okay. Oh, your question. No, if I'm saying okay, that means it sounds good.
Right. But like
Okay.
okay, okay. And then daily
So,
and hourly are time frame alignment. So we come down, last down close candle,
mm-hmm.
change in state of delivery.
Yeah.
So bullish. All right, bullish.
Yeah.
bullish,
No,
bullish.
I like that. And like, yeah, this. What is it? What time frame is your left one on?
The
15? Yeah.
hourly. Oh, the left
Your
one.
left
The left
one?
one. Yeah, 15, 15. Yeah, 15. Okay.
Yeah, I mean the 15-minute. No, but the weekly profile, the weekly profiling here makes sense for Thursday low of the week because you've crossed out a lot of these things that need to be crossed out in order for you to like make that assumption
Right,
or like to
right.
anticipate that. So that's a good. Yeah.
Okay.
The low that you annotated is also the low from yeah, that one. Make sure you have that one annotated. Just draw, or what I do is I draw it to the wick. This is how so you can see a little bit clearer. Okay, now you can go into your 15. Okay, so now and then drag that wick or drag that line closer, just to the candle. Yeah, like there, perfect. It shows you like which candle you need to be focusing on. So now that you have had candle closures above, what is it called? Do you see those two order blocks below?
Uh,
Yes. No. Those two down. Yes, right there. Well, yeah, all those, I guess, but I would use those two.
because they're big bodies.
Yeah, exactly. And it not only that, but it's because those candles close through liquidity,
Oh yeah, you're right. Because the thing is, if some
right?
like
Remember what I told you?
yeah, you're right. It's just the candle that closed liquidity, and like some people are always saying like I don't know. This is like where I get messed up. Like people will use the whole thing, the whole down close candle, or you said like
Hmm.
only use the one that closed liquidity, like right here, the two
Yeah.
candles that close liquidity, and that's where like I guess a lot of people don't know. You know what I mean? So it's like that's where like there's so many assumptions here. So that's why I get confused.
Yeah, so that's going to be your order block, and your high time frame is already the line to your left is your high time frame.
Right.
Okay, that's your high time frame. Once you see that, and then you have this formation, the model that I'm like using here. So for me, order block, that works, and you also have a fair value gap, so that works too.
Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt, but you see the candle that you said would close through liquidity, that little order block, I guess. Yeah, that
Oh
candle.
my gosh, it's Central C.
It's you see that candle? It didn't actually close. Like if you see the one before the one that actually closed through, like it didn't actually close through. Because I'm that type of mechanical. I would be like, I would question myself. Would I choose the 2 or would I choose the 1? So what would you say to that? Because
Well,
the second one,
those two candle formations together are a complete candle on like the 30-minute or the 45.
oh yeah, because they re-delivered the previous one.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So like go to okay, yeah. So you can use the same. It's all fractal, so you can choose
So
whichever
that
one.
makes sense. Thank you.
Okay, that
Yeah,
makes
yeah, of
sense.
course.
I see. So I guess
Yeah, so it's
technically
all
this is the whole order
fractal,
block.
yeah.
Technically, I will like, but if we're only because we're never on 30 minutes, so I guess 15 minutes is fine. So I'm bullish.
Uh-huh.
So thing is like, how do I know if it's just gonna run up, or how do I know if we'll get like a liquidity sweep? Because sometimes like price like on Thursdays, well, we'll just expand higher, right? Just like shoot
Yeah.
up. So how can we anticipate that? Oh, like we'll get like, because like obviously there's a reason why we just expand up higher. You said I remember you saying like if price is in a hurry, but how do like I still don't understand like how do we know that it's in a hurry? I guess to like go towards our next draw.
Okay, so if you miss, okay, so the order block entry, it hasn't been given yet. We've expanded outside and we have a CSD.
Okay.
Or what time?
This is 9. This
Yeah,
is
it's
market opening.
okay. So we've expanded above it with those 3 up close candles.
Right
You
here.
see the 3 up close? No, like, well, yeah, even before that, we've already gotten a CS. Yeah, zoom in. There you go. The 3 up close candles, the ones like that form right after the order block.
Right here.
Yeah, yeah. So once you already have that like expansion like move, no, the ones before. Sorry, I'm like troll. The 3 before, the 3 big ones before,
The
back
three,
to back to back,
the
up
three,
candles. Right. Yes, right there, right
Right
there.
here.
Those 3.
right?
Those 3 give you your CSD, and this keep in mind this is all happening before market open. So what happens market open? The Judah swing, right?
Right. I
Okay, so if the Judah swing gives you an entry to go long, when it hits your order block, that's when you enter.
so this could be, I guess, your most recent order block right here also.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that would be your propulsion block in a sense, I guess. So that's like yes, that's one entry. So honestly, from the way price is looking, and because we're yeah, I kind of agree with M here, bro. You just long from here because the low that you just took out is a daily low, so daily ranges are gonna expand
Faster.
yeah, way faster compared to like like or like the 1 minute, the lower time frames are gonna expand super fast compared to like what it looks like on the daily. So you just enter like 9:30 when it dips down a little bit lower, and then okay, well you missed your entry. That was your entry right there.
I thought you said you wanted it to dip down because it was already up here. So yeah, hold on.
I mean that 1 minute entry is might be the best you're gonna get. I'm not gonna lie.
All right, and then where would your stops be like at this order block low?
Yeah,
You can
you
keep
could
it
do
at
that.
the mean no. Mark out the mean threshold of the propulsion block because whenever you're craving phase, well, you can also use this as a method as to where you're gonna keep your stop loss. Price shouldn't go to the mean threshold of a propulsion block
Yeah, you're right. You're right. That makes,
because
yeah.
there's really no need for it. That's what he said in month 4 core content, and if it does do that, chances are you're gonna see sensitivity at that area.
I got you. All right, play it out.
Da, da, da.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. So just like that's what I'm saying. Like weekly out, like weekly like framework is definitely like very useful. And like, I see.
I think it's important that you watch these candles print on the 15 minute. By the way, you didn't go to the 1 minute.
Why is that? Why should or I'm just it's a question, but like, why should I only look at the 50? Like, why should I look
No,
at?
no, I'm saying that's what you just did, which is like not a bad. It's not a bad thing at all. But whenever I see you backtest, you're like always on the 1 minute, like most of the times, because you're
Right.
trying to find these 1 minute entries. But notice your entries here all took place on a high time frame with like high time frame reasoning.
Okay.
And then I mean like, we outlined what price should be doing, so bullish, right?
Right.
We outlined where it should be doing it from, and then 6 gave you like a really specific like stop loss because you added another confluence into a bias that supports like your expansion move.
Okay. I see. Okay. That's starting to make a lot more sense.
Mm-hmm. And I don't know where you chose your TP for, but yeah,
Yeah.
I
No,
mean,
I just threw it randomly. Obviously, like we're probably gonna just.
okay, that's
Yeah.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Okay. I'm starting to get it a little bit. Like I'm starting to like slowly adjust.
No, don't say that. Just do it like 5 more times, and then
All
we'll
right,
see.
you're right. Okay. So this is a Monday.
We go into the next day.
Yeah. Or yeah.
Wait, so that's an open for the new week?
Oh no, this is a Friday. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's try to Friday. This is that last trade that we did was a Thursday, but this is a new Friday. This is a Friday. So my question is, right? Technically, we'll be in a premium on a Friday, or yeah, we'll be in a premium on a Friday,
Yes.
but weekly. I guess like I'll get confused. Like weekly profile, we're kind of like we open low, swept out a low, and then went higher, right? So would you still long on a Friday if we are in a premium on the higher time frame?
Just off of the basis that we left a discount and we traded away from a daily PRA, more specifically the old low that you just pointed at. Yeah, that one right there. So just mark it out. That one right there. And as you can see, there was no body closure below that low, right? And we had a displacement towards the upside. If you go to the H1 or the H4, you're probably going to see it there. Right. So this can be, now go back to the daily. So this can be the external to internal, even though the overall the order flow on the weekly time frame, it's still bullish, right? So if you were to remove that fib that you have marked out right now, and just mark out the current trading range on the daily, like just pick the most recent swing high and swing low.
That hasn't been.
No. Go a bit higher. Go a bit higher. No. More to the right.
Oh,
more to the right.
Right here. This swing high.
Bro, the right. Yeah, right there. So that swing high right there, down to that swing low, right? So we're crossing a level of equilibrium. So based off of the PDRA matrix, right? He mentions that breakers or the mitigation block, that's essentially going to act as your first draw on liquidity after we cross the level of the equilibrium, or we can either look to rebound something. So based off of the daily, you don't really see any fair value gap that's present, right?
Right.
And we're already at the mitigation block that the current market price is at right now. It's literally at that level. So we can go down to the H4 now. Now you see any fair value gap that resides above the equilibrium within a premium that can act as your drawn liquidity. So just look higher. Exactly. Now here's the thing, right? It doesn't have to reach that level. That doesn't mean anything. It just has to expand within that direction. Yes?
Right.
Okay, so that's our drawn liquidity. And how are we going to build a narrative based off of this? Go to the H1. So zoom out a bit or remove the fib. Right, so that's a clear market maker buy model, yes?
Right, consolidation.
Now here's the thing, right? For market maker buy and sell models, the buy model or sell model that has the highest probability of reaching your terminus is the one that has the least amount of reaccumulations or redistributions on the opposing curve, because those areas that act as the old consolidations, those are high resistance liquidity runs. So if we go to that area, chances are that we're going to consolidate again. So the least amount of reaccumulations and distributions that we have on the opposing curve, like let's say we only have one, like in this example, we only have one, right? That increases the likelihood of us actually going to terminus, which is the equal highs. If you were to move your mouse to like 15120,
This one, like right here.
a bit higher, a bit higher, a bit higher. Yeah, right there. So that can act as your terminus, right? So that's essentially the narrative that we're playing off of, right? So you have your buys, you have your narrative. Now all you have to do is go down to the intraday timeframes, look for framework surrounding that actual trade idea. So we already established that we're longs. We established how we're going to get there. And now it's only time for you to look for your conditions to be met prior to the entry. And then you just pull the trigger.
Okay. So like, would you? Because obviously you want to be longing in a discount versus a premium, right? So like, would you go like? You said like, would you how would you draw your dealing range, like from like the last low, like that swept out liquidity, like right here?
I'm looking at it right now. Hold on. Where'd you anchor your fib from? Is that the previous day's low?
This is today's low.
Okay. Yeah, honestly, I just referred to the opening prices in this instance because with opening prices, you can also delineate premium and discount that way. If we're above the 9:30 open, that's also considered as a premium. If we're below the 9:30 open, that's also considered as a discount. that's what he teaches in the Power of Three teachings, anyways.
Okay,
So
this-
9:30 open.
Yep. So
Okay. So yeah, you can literally just do whatever you want at this point.
okay, hold up. Fuck, hold up. Hold up. Okay, so I guess I was just like super like inconfident of this fair value, but let's just see.
Yeah, so the objective was met for that day. So you can't really do much about that. So
Right.
all you can do is just go to the next trading day.
Hold on, I want to see like I just want to see what played out here. Okay, so like could this fair value get worked? Like obviously in hindsight it did, right? But like how could I know that we're like I guess like we were below discount and this fair value gap was here.
Yeah, but in live market conditions, I don't think you would have had the confidence to execute off of that.
Yeah, so I didn't take it. Like I wouldn't have entered here at all.
Yeah, so that's fine. That's just a day that you would have sat out.
Right.
If you don't feel confident in actually pressing the button, then don't press the button.
I got you. Okay, I bet. Let's go. So like I said,
I can do one more daily range and then I gotta bounce. I gotta go somewhere with my parents.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, we'll do one more. All right. So Monday we don't trade Mondays. Okay, so Tuesday. Do we have any news Tuesday? We don't have any Tuesday, but we do have news on Wednesday. All right, these are just random news. Okay, we have Powell speaking on a Friday, so we can anticipate. We can. Well, how would you framework this weekly outlook here? If we don't have Monday, if we don't have news Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but we do have news on Friday, which is Powell speaking. How would you framework that weekly?
So based off of your rules, you would have skipped out on 3 trading days?
No. I would trade Tuesday still, but like, how would you framework or how would you anticipate like Tuesday being like, like how would you anticipate it?
You just follow the direction of order flow in the higher time frame until we reach a PD array, either on the daily or weekly. That can act as the catalyst for a reversal, but you have nothing on the left.
Yeah. So yeah. Plus, okay.
There's literally nothing on the
So
left.
we would just go long.
So you can look for a continuation.
Yeah. So we just go long. Okay. You're right. So
Obviously, wait for 9:30 open first,
Yeah.
and go to the H4. Okay, so right now in the H4, we didn't reach the buy side imbalance that's on the left. So maybe we can rely on the intraday liquidity pools instead. Go to the M15, mark out London low.
London low was already swept.
This is in August, so London is from 2 to 6 a.m. EST.
Yeah, we've already swept out London low, and
Okay, so London low has been swept. Are we at 9:30 open right now?
we are.
Okay, so that the intraday highs are going to act as your drawn liquidity, right?
Right.
And remember what we covered previously? It doesn't have to reach that level. It just has to expand within that direction. But remember, because you have high impact news events later on in the week, it's reasonable for us to see smaller daily ranges on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Because you said we had what, a Fed speech on Thursday, and Friday we had something else.
No, Friday. Friday we have Fed speech.
Okay.
And the rest had no news.
So if you were to place a trade right now, what would be the framework surrounding that long setup?
The thing is, I don't know. Like I wouldn't know.
And
Yeah, so
by the way, there's no news on Tuesday. I just checked on Forex Factory.
Yeah, there's no news. Yeah, there's no news until Friday. So like,
are we at 9:30 open?
yes, we are.
Till
Okay,
Thursday, I
can you go candle by candle to the open of Silver Bullet
Yeah.
and just play it candle by candle? Okay, just stop at 10 a.m. Now, you can literally open and close positions just based off of time, right?
Right.
So you can place a long position right now at 10 a.m. and have your stop loss below, I want to say, that swing low that was made right now on the M15. It's going to be bad risk to reward, but yeah. And um, leave your TP open. Just manually close the position at 11 a.m. once the silver bullet ends.
All right. All right.
So just have a stop loss.
Okay.
Okay, and now play it candle by candle until we get to 11 a.m. Make sure you mark out the 11 a.m. hour.
I got you. I got you. Hold up, let me.
Can you go to the lower time frame too, please? Like the M5 or the M1?
M5 good.
Yeah,
All
just
right.
play it candle by candle.
Okay. So,
Stop. Okay, yeah, just manually close it. So whenever you're confused and you don't have this idea as to what your framework is going to be surrounding the actual trade idea, we're going to go based off of timing because he also says that timing plays a role as to when the expansion could possibly begin. Right now, if you're trading the AM session and you're confused as to what your framework is going to be surrounding the narrative that you have and the bias that you've established, you can literally enter and exit positions based off of time alone. So you can enter at the open of the silver bullet and you can close your position at the closure. And just have your take profit open. Just make sure you keep a stop loss on. That's it.
so my thing is like, how did you know to put your stop loss at this low? Like, how do you know like this was a protected? I guess like protected low. How did you not?
Because that's the low that caused a failure swing. Remember what we covered within consolidations, that our rejection blocks are always going to
Oh
be
yeah.
representative of a failure swing, right? So that swing low that formed, that shows you that, okay, price failed to go lower and create a lower low, right? So it wouldn't be reasonable for price to actually trade below that low again, because if we did, we'd have to trade below the intraday lows, and that can possibly mean that we're going to get a retracement back inside of the previous day's range.
I see. I see. So since you saw this rejection block here, you were
Yeah,
like,
exactly. It's literally just because of the failure swing. That's it. It's really nothing more to it than that. Just like how previously we covered that propulsion blocks, the mean threshold, the 50%, is going to be very sensitive. Number one, price really has no business there if it already showed its hand. But if it does go back there, it's going to be very sensitive at the mean threshold. So if you get stopped out, you can always re-enter it with half of the position size that you used previously. So it's not really that big of a deal. So there's obviously a narrative surrounding, or there's a there's a reason behind why we're placing our stop losses at certain areas. It's primarily behind the function of every PD array. That's it. And this is all in core content. This is literally month 4 core content.
okay, I see. I see. So basically, we found the narrative, and then obviously like I. So you said whenever you're like, I guess, somewhat confused, you can just enter off
Yeah.
time, and then
Yeah,
you
you can
saw this.
literally just enter and exit based off of opening prices and closing prices, but obviously you have to make sure that it's a significant time that you're placing the trade. So for indices, that would mainly be the silver bullet. Obviously, if you're trading FX, you can trade based off of the kill zones, right? Like the London open kill zone, you can enter or exit your position at the opening price. Sorry, you can place the entry at the opening price and you can exit at the end of the kill zone. Same thing applies for New York Open for FX. It's the same thing,
I see. I see.
except for indices, we're just narrowing our focus down to the silver bullet.
Okay. Okay. So you're yeah. So right here was just based off time, technically.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
But I'd still suggest you to, like, if you're really confused and you don't want to push the button, just
Just sit out.
just sit out for that day.
You're
It's
right.
not gonna hurt you.
I want. He told me to play it out. Let's see.
Well, yeah, bro. I gotta bounce now. I gotta start up my car. I'm gonna take my parents somewhere.
I got you, bro. I'll catch you later, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Well,
You guys take
cool.
care.
You still streaming?
See you later, bro.
Am I still streaming?
Yeah.
I got banned again.
You got banned again.
Yeah.
Why are you lying to me?
I got banned. I'm streaming on YouTube, but like I said, probably just gonna end it here. Like I said, I'm gonna be posting this whole thing on my YouTube.
Oh
So if
my
you guys
god,
want,
too late.
Q, do you want more? Do you want more to see if we end on a good note?
alright, we'll do one more. We'll do one more. We'll do one more. We'll do one more.
No, real talk though. I just came in.
No, cause like, bro, it was just, cause I guess Turtle Soup or Kim, he goes by fucking Kim. He had to go eat dinner, and then he has to go. So those two are like the top 2 people that I know that are like.
No, they're good. They're really good. They're really good.
Yeah, they like you could just tell he was like they just knew what the fuck they were doing. That's the prime, honestly. But I mean,
Facts.
shit,
W6.
I know, right?
All right, guys, let's let him look in. Let's let him look in. Let me shop.
All right, okay, look. Monday shot up, Tuesday shot up, Wednesday. I would anticipate like a fuck. Previous weekly high or previous daily high was taken out. So, and look at that. What Kim was telling me that the candle that swept out the high is here. So this is your order block. This is your change in state of delivery. Some people like it all the way down here, the consecutive down close candles, but I think I'm gonna start doing it from like the candle that actually swept out liquidity on the higher time frame. So now I'm bearish bias going into the day. Now, if I know this is my true high of day for this day, we could just enter off at 10 a.m. Oh, fuck. Hold up.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let's see. All right, so 10 a.m. opens up here. So like this is where like I get confused. Like we just reset at the high. Does that? I think that indicates that we are bullish, and I should switch my. I should be lucrative with my bias and be bullish, just because the swing high that took out liquidity, and we're bullish. We're bullish now. We just ran through this gap. Indication of bullish intent. So now my bias is now bullish.
It looks like consolidation. I'm not gonna lie.
Slightly, yeah. Slightly. Let's go on the hourly. This technically is consolidation. Where this whole range is already filled in. We're already balanced. So
yeah,
in that case, if we identify that it's bearish or that it's bullish, we can mark out our equilibrium. So this mean threshold should get worked, and we're above the 25% upper quadrant, so we can anticipate shorts. Fuck, what the fuck? We can anticipate shorts to equilibrium of this range, so we can like partial at equilibrium of this range.
You know what I usually do? I usually like, it's like if you go on like a 5-minute or like a 15-minute, you can see like, you can see the same model on the higher time frame on the lower time frame, and then
Right.
you would target the swing lows on the very bottom, and then those, and then because that's I think that's the equilibrium, right? The orange line.
Yeah, the yellow one. Yeah.
And then depending on if there's a model, like there's an inverse right there. I don't enter off inverse, so maybe you have conviction in it, but that's just something I do. I recognize lower time frame models on higher time frames, so like, or no, higher time frame models on lower time frames. So my model has better RR and accuracy, but that's
Right.
just me though. But you gotta do whatever you're comfortable with though.
Yeah, no, I think shorts here are the play, and the reason why that is because, like I said, we're up the 25% upper quadrant. We swapped out this high on the 5-minute, and we get a change in state in delivery here. We tapped it already. We had a nice decent reaction. So my stop loss would be here, and then I would be target, like you said, these lows down here. That's in premium or that's in discount. So,
Well, remember CISD is the series of candles that made that high.
yeah, so I'm saying this is where I get confused. Like some like Turtle or Kim, he said it's the candle that swept out liquidity, and some people say it's a series of down closed candles.
No. It can be both. It can be both.
Yeah,
However,
well,
the first
if it's,
candle,
I think on a lower time frame that is CISD, but I'm sure that like on a certain time frame, that's one candle.
Yeah. Like
But-
on the 30-minute. This candle here.
Nah,
Yeah.
Q, listen, what I
But
heard, yeah, what I
I
know
wouldn't
is that
even look at a 30-minute though.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
the first candle can be a chain of straight delivery and all the other candles as well before it. However, if you do choose the first candles, the chances of it being a chain of straight delivery are lower. However, you get a
Right.
better RR. You get what I'm trying to say?
Right. I understand, but like, you're right. You're right. That makes sense. So like right
See,
here.
Yeah,
like
so
I
you
don't enter
essentially
off that, so
entering
I
right
have no
now.
experience with that. So
Mm,
So you're right. What you said is right.
right. Okay. So I'm probably just like, if price does come back up here, I'll go ahead and take it. Like I said, I'm already anticipating this discount level here.
is it 10 o'clock?
Yeah, 10 o'clock here.
All right.
Oh my
Alright,
gosh, I'm a
there you
fucking
go.
goat. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Alright.
I'll-
Break even.
Nice.
Alright, okay. So right now we're at discount level here.
I would take like half your position off. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I would too, honestly. Fuck it. And then like, obviously, like we want to target all the lows here, right? But let's see how.
Just scroll through those time frames real quick. Go. What time frame you on right now?
This is 5 minutes.
Yeah, go to the 15.
Alright.
Yeah, that'd be fair enough to get.
Yeah. Alright, let's keep playing this out.
There you go.
Look at that, beautiful. Alright, just play it out. Fuck it.
Wait, pause it. What time is it?
11:55. Oh yeah, exit.
Sometimes I notice if the macro starts and then it goes to your opposing, like to your stop loss, then you need to get out because the draw on liquidity that is hunting is not in your favor. You
Right.
feel
So
me?
like,
What do you enter off? Do you enter off macros, Q?
I just enter off at like 10 a.m. or
Oh, so yeah, okay. So power free. Okay.
yeah. So like right here, like okay, I do see where you're coming from. Like you said, if the I guess the silver bullet ends and it start going towards your I guess entry.
Not only that, but if it's disrespecting
Bearish
like
PD rate.
your
Bro,
Peter
who
rate,
is eating like that, bro?
What?
but it's within context. Like
yeah.
like it might go down but I mean this is consolidation, so like
Right,
I don't
and-
fucking know, bro.
Yeah.
And I don't know what your higher time frames look like either. So
Yeah. No, plus like we were in consolidation here. Obviously everything's balanced. Upper quadrant of 25%. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Regardless of whatever, yeah, like I said, equilibrium was the better take profit area. That's good.
and if you went on like a 1 or 2 minute, the RR could have been way better. And you see how when you got out at the macro and it just automatically hit your break even point, but
Right.
you still saved money. You feel what I'm saying? So
I feel you. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, guys, we're learning. If like I said, we're gonna be doing more of these with like Kim and potentially Six. Like I said, if you guys learn stuff, I definitely learned stuff for sure. I just gotta.
Are you
implement
going
it.
through them? Are you going through the cool contents yourself? As they're saying, you should be going through the cool contents yourself, man.
Core content? Bro.
Just start from 2016. I think that's what they're mentioning throughout this whole time.
Yeah, like
So,
2016 core
definitely.
content, like somewhere
Start.
around there. Yeah.
his videos are boring as shit, bro.
Here's what it is, bro.
Like it's already the basics that we know, but it's like he just goes more to depth in it, and that's literally it, bro.
Yeah, that's what you might need, bro.
Hey, Bean, what's your name? Bina SLS. Say, we can go ban for ban.
We can go ban for ban.
Oh, yo, it's Central C.
This
Have you listened to
fucking
the album?
You guys are fucking fun.
the
Bro.
fuck.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream and just go out and do my thing that I have to do throughout the day. Like I said, we'll be doing more of these. If you guys learn anything, hopefully that's great. But yeah, like I said, if you guys have any more questions, for like I guess next time, Six or Kim would be him.
All right. Appreciate you, cool.
Of course, Dean. All right, I'll catch you guys later. You guys have a good day.
All right, you
Alright,
too, bro.
yeah, bro.
All right, guys. Hopefully, you guys learned something in this stream today. Like I said, these guys are great. But yeah, other than that, I will catch you guys all next time. Ooh.